Hi, my name is Ethel. I'm a data scientist with a background in physics. My journey in data science began when a friend sent an invite to apply for an AI fellowship program that was being implemented by Blossom Academy and sponsored by GIZ. I applied and got in, and hence we became the first cohort of the Fair Forward AI Fellowship Program that was sponsored by GIZ. Fast forward to the program, we had a lot of dedicated tutors who took us through this program and made it successful. Ever since the program, I've had the opportunity to work for companies and implement solutions that optimize processes and improve efficiency. I'm grateful to GIC for sponsoring my participation in the AI Fellowship Program. Their commitment to professional development has been a key factor in ensuring my success as a data scientist and any future endeavors. Looking forward, I hope to continue to utilize machine learning to optimize processes and further improve the AI community as a whole. I would like to encourage anyone interested in similar career paths to embrace continuous learning and seek opportunities like artificial intelligence fellowship programs and data science programs.